Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel we film about skincare, product reviews, supplement review, DIYs, everything concerning skincare. So if this is the kind of content you really want to love to know, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today, without wasting much time, we'll be teaching you how to make your own vitamin C face serum. I won't draw much on the benefits or the intro. You should read about vitamin C. Vitamin C is a very good serum that everybody needs. Yeah, literally everybody needs it. A lot of people convince it for one thing or the other, but literally everybody should have a vitamin C in their routine. I have one for myself as well. So today, without wasting much time, I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own vitamin C face serum at home. Yeah, at the comfort of your home without having to spend much. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. The first thing we'll be needing is, of course, our vitamin C powder, which is the ascorbic acid. So I'll be needing just 1 teaspoon of my ascorbic acid. It's just a little portion I'm doing, just an illustration video. Do you understand? So I'll be giving this out actually. So I'm using just 1 teaspoon of my vitamin C powder. So the next thing I'll be going in with is my rose water. I'll be going in with my rose water. I'll be going in with 4 teaspoons of my rose water. 4 teaspoons of my rose water. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. So this is 4 teaspoons of our rose water. So I'll mix this very well. I'll mix it together until it clears out and become really transparent here. So we're going to set this aside because it's going to clear and be completely cleared to water. To set this aside, the next thing we'll be adding, once this has cleared up, I'll tell you guys the next thing we'll be adding to our mixture, but we'll wait for this to clear off. In another container, we'll be adding our glycerin. Just 1 teaspoon of glycerin, half teaspoon of glycerin will do for this particular one. I'll be adding just half teaspoon of my glycerin into this. Yes, that is half teaspoon of my glycerin. Then I'll go ahead and add this one. I'm adding now is alternative. I mean I'm adding my xanthan. The jelly effect that your vitamin C has, you can get it from xanthan. That's the reason I'm adding this xanthan, to give me that jelly-like effect, the jelly-like texture that the vitamin C serum is always having. So I'll be adding just a pinch of our xanthan. A pinch, this is okay. Of our xanthan, that will do for our xanthan. So I'll go ahead to mix this xanthan together. I'll be mixing this to dissolve it in the glycerin. I would advise you dissolve your xanthan before adding it to your powder, before adding it to your vitamin C powder, because this xanthan, if you don't dissolve it, it might end up creating lumps. It will eventually dissolve, but at least it will take some more time. Unlike dissolving it before adding it to your vitamin C, that will be much more easier. That will be much more easier. So I will go ahead and mix this. After mixing this, I'll go back and check on my vitamin C powder. Before then, I'll clean off my spoon so it doesn't contaminate this vitamin C powder. I need it to completely clear off. Okay, if you can see this very well, you can see that it's almost completely clearing off, but you need to be very patient. It will take time to clear off, so but you need to be very patient. to keep mixing until it's completely clear off. It's going to clear off completely. I mean, the vitamin C is going to clear off completely. Just be very, very patient. Just have to be very, very, very patient. You can see there are still little particles down there, but in no time it is going to clear off completely. I need this to dissolve completely before I go ahead and add my aloe vera gel. I'll be adding aloe vera gel to this. I'll be adding aloe vera gel to this. So we can see that this has completely cleared off. From this we can see that this has completely cleared off. So I'll be adding my aloe vera gel. Just half teaspoon of aloe vera gel will do for this mixture. I'll be adding half teaspoon of my aloe vera gel. That will be enough. In our skincare class we teach grams, not teaspoons. So I'm teaching teaspoons in this class for the sake of people that does not even know how to do all that. So I added half teaspoon of my aloe vera gel. So the last thing I'll be adding into this mixture is our mixed xanthan. Yes, our xanthan that was mixed. So we'll go ahead and add it into this mixture. You have to be very, very patient with this. Go ahead and add this into this mixture. So in no time this will turn really thick, but it's going to take a while. You just have to mix and mix very well. Just have to mix and mix very, very well. You can see this is becoming jelly. You can see all those white particles. It's because I wasn't patient enough for that xanthan to so completely dissolve in the glycerin, but it doesn't matter. This is still going to clear off completely. It's still going to clear off completely, and you have the neat vitamin C serum. So this is going to eventually clear off completely. So if you're using this vitamin C serum, I would advise you use after a week, you throw it away, or after 2 weeks. If you're bottling it, please remember to bottle it in a black dropper bottle, because I'm using ascorbic acid for this production, and we all know that ascorbic acid tends to oxidize in no time. You can see how jelly this has become. Forget about the white patches you're still seeing on the top of the product. This white patches is going to clear off. It's the xanthan that didn't mix up completely, so it's going to completely clear off after a while. And this can work for your face if you have hyperpigmentation. If you have uneven skin, you can use this. I'll go ahead and bottle this. I'll wait for it to completely dissolve before I go ahead and bottle it. So this is the easy way. You can see how easy it is to make your own vitamin C serum at home. You can make this yourself. You can order from us. Of course, what we're using for our own is very much more than this. This is just 100% vitamin C serum. The vitamin C serum we sell in our store is 10% vitamin C serum, 5% hyaluronic acid. We have vitamin E oil in our own brand vitamin C serum. So you want to do yourself a lot of good by ordering our own. However, you can also do this at home yourself, and this is still going to work just fine. Thank you very much. I'll go ahead and wait for this to completely dissolve. Yes, to completely dissolve, and I'll bottle it and show you what it looks like after all. Thank you. After letting this sit for a longer time, look at how beautiful and silky it looks. So I'll go ahead and bottle this and I'll show you what it looks like. So after bottling it, this is what it looks like. See how beautiful it looks. You can see that. See how beautiful it looks. And that's the simple way to make your own vitamin C face serum at home. I hope that video has been helpful. If so, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm begging, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Don't forget to thumbs up my video so you can get more likes. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.